So I'll go ahead and start a loop, and let's see what kind of things we have available here. So we have suggestions that are there, right? And then we also have templates, which are like defined template, industry standard templates of outreach campaigns and marketing campaigns. So when you go ahead and click on start a loop, you can start in multiple methods. You can either create from scratch, or you can use few of the templates that are already made for you, which essentially just pre-fills the information, and you can continue from there. So let's start from scratch and see how it works. So my objective for Anuj right now is to get his cohort some bookings, right? So what I'll do is I'll just name this, and this name is internal, so I'll just trading cohort upsell. And my goal is to get 10 bookings for the cohort by July 31st, 2026. Because Anuj's cohort is starting from August, let's say, right? And he would want to fill in the seats before the date. Then let's just add the product. And what we'll do is just paste Anuj's product link into this, and trading cohort, and then like, let's just extract details and see what happens. So it has picked up the details and booking URL and everything, and we'll just add the pricing for this. So it is 59.99, and it's let's put as a coaching program, and duration, let's leave it, and you can do more detailed setup. It already fills in according to the objective and service link. But to be honest, it's not really needed, because how Loop works is that it waits for a reply. It sends out campaigns, and then whenever a reply is received, that is where the beauty comes in.